What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in our video. Today we're looking at the Dreo baby monitor. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, this is a baby monitor. It has dual split screen as well. We're going to show you the features of this today, and we're going to unbox it and see what else you could do. Here we go. So this is what the Dreo looks like, the packaging. 5-inch HD split screen baby monitor. Pretty good packaging right here. Some contents right here as well. The connectivity is 2.4 gigahertz there. Operating range is about 300 meters, about 1,000 feet there. Resolution there is 1280 to 720. It has a pan and tilt of 300-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical. 5-inch screen as well, and 16 by 9. Battery capacity is about 5,000 milliamp hour there. Let's open this up. There you go. That's the packaging on the top. When you open this, that's what it looks like inside. There you go. On top of this is the literature. Very nice packaging there. Take this off and look at what they have inside there. Let's take this on the top here. Here you get a camera and also the monitor right here. There you go. Boom. Camera right here. There you go. Here as well is some cables and accessories inside. Plug for both of them. And that's it. So this is the Dreo camera right here. In the front it has a movable 360 degrees camera right here. Motorized as well. It'll turn this way as well. And this part will roll around. The back has an antenna and then a pairing button down there and then a micro USB on the back. Some speakers on the side as well. There you go. And in the bottom there's a screw hole so that you can mount it upside down or on the wall. The monitor is pretty simple as well. Has some buttons right here to control the modes there. On top there's a volume button, volume rockers right there, plus and minus. Power and sleep up here. There you go. On top here is a little antenna if you really need it. And then back here is the little stand where you can put away if you don't need it. There's speakers as well so that it'll notify you if the baby wakes up. On the side there's a USB-C slot to charge it as well. So here are some of the options on the camera right here. Right now it's already paired with the camera. The monitor, you'll see that there's a few buttons right here, and as you can see it's quite snappy. You can change the brightness, you can change the alert volume as well to low, high, or mute. There's the video volume as well. You can bring it down a bit. It's kind of echoey right now because it's right beside me. Right here there's brightness as well, where you can lower down the brightness depending on where you are. There you go. This is the lowest and this is the highest brightness there. Screen timeout, you can change it as well, where it would turn off over 10 minutes, 1 minute, or whatever. You can put a never as well. There's the camera right here, where you can add another one if you want. You can have auto switch. This has split screen as well. There you go. You will need another camera. So here you can move the camera doing this. You can bring it up like so as well. There you go. You can zoom in if you want to see your baby better. Here there's the Vox off or Vox on.
There you go. Screen will auto wake up according to audio sensitivity level during at night when you're asleep. And
you don't want the screen flashing on your face. You can keep it off, and then once the kid cries, it'll turn it on so that you can see what's going on. There it is. It'll alert us as well. As you can see, the sound is really nice. You can really hear the baby cry.
temperature, this one you'll be able to change to Fahrenheit or degrees. The Dreo also has a feature to get the temperature. This is really cool. This little thing right here is the temperature sensor. You could change the volume as well up here. A video volume right there. It is having a feedback because right beside each other. You can also speak by pressing this. Check, check, check. It'll be able to speak, and the sound will come out to the camera there, so you can speak to your kid. The other feature is the night mode. It has an infrared night shift there when it is dark, and it'll have this infrared sensor to detect that it's nighttime, and if it's daytime it'll go color, so you'll be able to still see your kid even though it's pitch black. Pretty cool. As mentioned earlier, it'll detect the sounds in the room.
So as you can see, it is automatic. Once it detects that it's bright enough in the room, it'll turn colored just like this. It'll pull it away from night shift. Here we could see the quality of the monitor and the camera as well. Pretty much everything is HD. And as you can see, once the noise is out, it'll turn black as well. This is what I mean when the VOX is turned on and off. Right now it's turned on, so when it's not detecting anything, it'll turn off just like this. So Dreo has a 5-inch screen here, as you can see. Has 720p HD and delivers fluid and crisp video. It also has, as we showed you earlier, the IR LEDs. It'll show your baby even in pitch black, the dark places. You can have 2 cameras on the Dreo as well, and that you'll be able to have split screen so that you can, if you have twins and they are on a separate room, or maybe you have 2 cameras and you wanna look at 2 children, you'll be able to do that with this as well. With this, you'll be able to rest easy with the voice activated alert. It'll just turn on your screen. It doesn't have to blare in your face all the time. You can turn off the screen there, and then it'll work. No problem at all. Best thing about this as well is it has 30 hours under the VOX mode, voice activated alert mode, which is really good. Most baby monitors are actually a lot less than that. And that's for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new baby monitor for your babies. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out as well. I would really appreciate if you click the affiliate links down below so that it could help out the channel as well. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.